Hi guys, Mr.Hat here, and I want to share with you a very quick and fun game to use with your little kids if you need to teach the alphabet. As you can see, I have an alphabet board, which is like a puzzle. You have to put pieces in here. Each alphabet, each letter has the right place. It's I don't know if you can see the camera. You can just fit A right here, and it's a very simple thing you can do with little kids as the main activity or a warm-up or just the last game of the day. And don't forget, you're teaching little kids, you have to perform all the time. You can't be just too serious like an adult. So you turn this to you like this, you go like a, make some sounds, and then a, you can do like a little laugh like that to say, okay, and so on. Just by doing that, you already grabbed kids' attention. You got kids ready. Then you turn this back to them. Well, I can't hold it right now because I'm making a video. But if you have two kids, you maybe get four. Pick four. If you have 6 kids, maybe 1 per kid or 2 per kid. It's up to you. If you have, the more you pick, more letters, the more you pick, it's more difficult to hold. So better if you have a little bag or container, you can put the letters in there. Well, once you picked the letters, you gotta ask them, okay, what's missing? And then the student A will say, or the fastest student will say, B, and then you say B, okay, B. Then you, on purpose, you point to B here, okay, B. Probably kids will say, oh, no, here's the B. And then, oh, sorry, B, okay, B here. So then you put the B in there, okay? And then, okay, what's missing? Then they will say M, and then you get the M, and you put the M in there. And that's how you do it. Once you complete the ABC, sing again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and then sing with them or make them dance while you sing. And then you can play again. Now, pick different letters or more, and then play it again. There's another way you can play this too, which is you do the same as I explained to you now, but instead of you holding the letters, let's say I get the B and M again, you pick the letters. As you can see, the B and M are gone. And you can choose to pick more if you want, 2 per kid or 1 per kid. You pick the letters, put them on your lap or container bag, or just pick them from the board and give to the students. Okay, you get the M, you get the B, and so on. There is a problem that may happen here is if you let them see, if they're little, like a kindergarten age, they want to choose that specific letter. And sometimes 2 kids want the same letter, and they may fight, they may get grumpy, and then you can't teach well the game. What I do is I hide, make a suspense, like a ta-da, ta-dum, and then I give them, and then they go, oh, and then, oh, yeah, okay, they forget about the choosing thing, okay, and then you go like a, and give them the B, like a magic trick. And then they get the letter, they forget about this, I want that one, and they go, oh, okay, B, oh, M, and then you ask them, after you give them all the letters, you ask them, okay, so guys, look here, hi, look, who has the M? And then sometimes they make little mistakes, but usually they know. M, this person, this student having M will come to you. I have. And okay, come here and put it here, okay? They're little, maybe they don't have the motor skills enough to fit, and they may drop all the letters around, so help them. You can tip it back a little like this, so they can fit it. And then they fit here, yeah, good job, and ask everyone to clap their hands. And then the second, who has the bee? Who has the bee? Oh, you? Okay, please come here, over here. And then the person, the kid comes and fit it in there. Say, yeah, we did it, guys. Then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and sing again. They go like, suddenly you start singing. They go like, oh, okay. And then they sing with you. And then you can do that one more time. Don't do it too many times over because you're a little kids, so they get bored soon with this, doing the same thing. But yeah, you can do maybe 3 to 5 times, asking them to help each other, change the letters, give them more or less. Don't give too many at once because they start playing with them and then you forget about the game. So I recommend to give up to 2 letters, or maybe you put the letters. If you want to give more, put all the letters in a little container bag, and so they can come to that container bag or table, even line up on the table. They can come, they don't hold it. They can come to the table, to the place, pick one they want, and then they come and fit. That's another alternative you can use to avoid kids losing the focus on the game. And that's it, guys. If you liked the video, push the like button, please, to help our channel. Subscribe if it was useful. Share with people. If you have more ideas about that, just comment down below. If you have questions about the game, just send us here. We're gonna answer you. And that's it. So see you next time.